Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for notes taking. And this is super easy to do. So once you're inside Notion, guys, go ahead and create a new page. I'm going to click create new page in the upper left. And let's call this page notes and enter. Right, no, you could go ahead and you can customize and create something from scratch. But if you want to learn how to do that, guys, there's better ways how to save your time to do this. One way is that you can use templates, which I'm about to share with you. Or if you have ChatGPT Pro, just simply head over to ChatGPT Pro and say, create me a full build notes template that I can use in Notion and provide steps and how to upload it. And that's all that you have to do. ChatGPT will take a couple hours to create to build the entire template for you that you can just simply go ahead and add into Notion. But if you want to save yourself some time, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click templates at the bottom here, and all you have to do is use the upper right hand side and type in notes. Simply hit enter and you'll find a ton of different free notes templates that you can literally use, right? You have a notes dashboard here, you have notes, and just need to scroll through, guys, and preview some of them and see something that you actually like and want to use. Now, for the purpose of this video and for time, I'm just gonna just scroll down and find something. Let's just use, for example, this one here, the first one, 4.8 star. I'm gonna work with this, right? So let's go ahead and choose, for example, this one here, or even this one here, whichever one. Click the first one. And all you have to do, you can preview it so that you can see what it looks like, or you can go ahead and you can just simply click and add. I'm going to just click and add for the purpose here, and I'm going to add it under this, for example, this Notion one here. I'm going to click right here, and it's going to add it right here. As you can see on the left hand side, is currently loading, and on the bottom it says that it's currently adding. I know it says that the template is ready, and that's all that I have to do, guys. Now on the left hand side, if I click on notes, you will see that it loads up. Here you have a full node system right into your Notion setup, right? And now you have it, guys. You can go ahead and you can add, you can change, you can do a lot more. See, if you want to take a new notes, just simply click new notes, or you can click new from here. And here you have this. You can start or type whatever you want over here. You can create your page. I can say new notes, for example, and you can go ahead and you can just start to write your notes here, blah, 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 whatever, right? Go ahead and type that in. And guess what? Once you're done, guys. See, you can go ahead and you can change whatever you want, and you have your notes right here. And at any point in time, you can click away and you can add a new notes as well. See, a new one, and you have a new page here, and you can start taking your notes. So new, I'm going to give this one, just say new test, for example. Spell it wrong. New test. And just click away, and that's it. You're taking your notes. This is a simple system, guys. A simple system that you can literally use. Any point in time, you can go ahead. You can even click new page from here as well. Click the three dots as well. You can always go ahead. You can even delete if you don't want these. And that's it. You can have different categories on the right hand side as well, and you can easily change this. If you don't want it to say shopping and you want to say whatever, you can click on that and you can rename it to whatever you want. See, I'm going to just rename that to shop, enter, and you can add new ones as well. So guys, a simple system. If you want to know how to use Notion to take notes, then this is a simple system. Just go ahead and check out the templates, find something that you can use. You can fully modify it to your liking and start using Notion to take notes. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.